In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add PayPal to your Redbubble account. This is a simple process that should take no more than 5 minutes to complete. By the end of this guide, you'll be all set to receive payments for your creative work directly into your PayPal account, ensuring you get your earnings in a secure and straightforward manner. So, let's dive right into the steps. Firstly, you need to open your preferred web browser and type Redbubble into the search bar. This will lead you to the official Redbubble website, where all the magic happens. Once the site has loaded, navigate to the login page if you aren't already signed in. Use your credentials to access your account. If you've forgotten your login details, don't worry. Just follow the prompts to recover your password or username. Once you're logged in, look towards the top right corner of the screen. There, you should see your profile icon. Clicking on this will bring down a drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll want to select Account Settings. This will take you to a page where you can manage all various settings related to your Redbubble account, including payment information. Next, look for the section labeled Edit Payment Details. You may need to scroll a bit to find it. Once you're there, scroll down further until you locate the Getting Paid section. Here is where you can manage how you receive payments from sales made on your Redbubble shop. The following step involves selecting your preferred currency from a drop-down menu. Make sure to choose the currency that best suits your banking needs. Then, you'll see an option that reads, Deposit into my verified PayPal account. Selecting this indicates that you want to receive payments via PayPal. To proceed, click on the Verify PayPal Account button. What this does is redirect you to the PayPal login screen, where you'll need to enter your login credentials for your PayPal account. It's essential to double-check and ensure you are entering the correct details here. Once logged in, you'll return to Redbubble, where you should review all the information you've entered. Make sure everything is accurate. This includes verifying that your PayPal email address and other details are correct. Once you're satisfied, click the Save button to confirm your changes. Finally, you'll need to grant Redbubble permission to connect with your PayPal account. Look for the option that says Agree and Connect and click on it. This action will authorize Redbubble to send your earnings directly to your PayPal account, completing the setup process. And there you have it. You've successfully linked your PayPal account to your Redbubble profile. With these steps, your payout process is streamlined, secure, and ready to go. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching.